Story 12. One of the Lemma scholars had been asked that, supposing one sits with a moon-faced beauty at a private apartment, the doors being closed, companions asleep, passion inflamed, and lust raging, as the Arab says, the date is ripe and its guardian not forbidding. Whether he thought the power of abstinence would cause the man to remain in safety, he replied, if he remains in safety from the moon-faced one, he will not remain safe from evil speakers. Well, just because people are going to say stuff about you doesn't mean that you should go for things anyways. Like if someone says, I'm going to tell your wife, or I'm going to tell my husband, or whatever. It's like, well, it's not true. But if I give in to you, it's going to be true, right? And then that same person can get you on the hook. I'll tell what's been going on. Or they'll change the detail. If a man escapes from his own bad lust, he will not escape from the bad suspicion of accusers. It is proper to sit down to one's own work, but it's impossible to bind the tongues of men. Now, when it comes to some of those temptations, we're talking about something along the lines of, there's not just one sin or some ridiculous concept like that. Anything significant, there's other stuff along the way. If people are like, oh, well, it's a little sin and a little sin and a little sin. It's like, well, you build those up and it's going to seem like you have no choice with the bigger stuff.